this is a video of just how I do prep. This is the prep that I do for every service, for basically everyone. Sometimes it might differ since some people have more cuticle, more buildup on the nail than others. But I do start off with spraying the hand or the nails with alcohol just to get some sort of slip on there so I can push the cuticle back. And then I go in with a flame bit just across the cuticle, hold it at a 45-degree angle so you're not making any indents or any rings of fire. And then I go in with a ball bit just around the actual cuticle skin area to prevent any hangnails, anything like that, and to lift up any excess skin that might be on there. And I do have a little brush on my fingers just to make it easier to get rid of the excess dust. And then I go in with my cuticle nippers. I don't nip anything that isn't white. Once I see that something is white is when I know that it's not supposed to be there and that it's just not helping the nail at all. So you can go ahead and clip it off. I also use the brush to lift it up so that way it's easier to get the clipper in there, if that makes sense. And then I go in with acetone to dehydrate the nail, to get rid of any natural oils that the nail might have, and it should look like that. You know, it should look frosty. I go in with the Valentino nail dehydrator just to give it an extra layer of dehydration for the nail. And then I go in with the Super Bond from Valentino as well. Just do a thin layer of that on all the nails. And then I go in with the No Lift Primer, I believe it is. And just do another thin layer over that on the nails. This is just how I do a regular gel application. I didn't record all of it. I only recorded like up to the second layer of the gel polish application just because my phone ran out of storage. But that is pretty much the nail prep routine I would do for any service.